This is always the worst part. I just lit the pilot light. Now I gotta turn them on.